What is going on, guys? Here is your judge. Let's judge another accident real quick and let's talk about it super fast. Alright, so here's the accident. Let me put it full screen. Let me know how's the format, guys. If you like to change the format how it was before, or this is better. Bam. He knew he messed up. This is a classic one where you have like a stop sign going into an intersection that doesn't have a stoplight, and people get desperate because sometimes I don't know why they put these stop signs in a really extremely busy intersection. You barely have a chance to get in, and if you have somebody in the back honking the horn, even though that they see traffic, it could put a lot of pressure on you, and that makes you do irrational things, and that may what has happened here. Now, who was at fault? Of course, the guy in the red. You know, he's the one that's merging into a busy intersection. He should make sure, I don't care if he lasts 2 days there waiting. If he don't have a clear path to get in, you don't get in. It's easy as that. But yeah, it's unfortunate, but that is the final verdict. Speed. Always speed is the main culprit of accidents. He didn't have enough room to brake, and bam. Unfortunate, but it happens a lot of the times. And please be safe out there, guys. Until next time, guys. God bless. Separate up.